Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, we will show you how to create a new WhatsApp broadcast on your Android phone. Broadcasting a message is a great way to send a message to multiple contacts at once without having to create a group chat. So let's get started. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your Android phone. Step 2. Tap on the More Options menu located at the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. From the drop-down menu, select New Broadcast. Step 4. Search for or select the contacts you want to add to your broadcast. You can select multiple contacts by tapping on the check mark next to their name. Step 5. Note that you should add at least 2 recipients to the broadcast. This is because if you only add one recipient, they will receive the message as a normal message in their Chats tab, rather than as a broadcast message. Step 6. Once you have selected the contacts you want to add, tap on the check mark in the lower right corner of the screen. And that's it. You have successfully created a new WhatsApp broadcast on your Android phone. Now you can send a message to multiple contacts at once without having to create a group chat. It is important to note that recipients receive a message from your broadcast list as a normal message in their Chats tab. If they reply to the message, it will only be sent to you and not to the other recipients of the broadcast. In conclusion, creating a new WhatsApp broadcast is a simple process that can save you time when sending messages to multiple contacts. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.